Hello everybody and welcome to Moscow, the capital of Russia. And in this video we're gonna tune in into some Christmas spirit of Moscow and the decorations and the Christmas lightings of Moscow. Guys, I'm a foreigner traveling to Russia and I'm gonna be experiencing the beginning of Christmas or Christmas time, depending on what time you're watching this, together with you guys. So this is Tverskaya Street, Main Street, and we're gonna go into this awesome city. Welcome, let's go. All right, right away we can see here on Pushkin Square park over here some beautiful, and this is like a square type of area, and it's full, absolutely full of beautiful decorations. Moscow is, everything in Moscow is huge. You can check it out. There's a big decorative building over there. There's a beautiful gate being built over here. Check it out. It's on the other side right there. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. And of course, there's more. Let's go check it out a little bit closer. So guys, here's of course Pushkin himself. Pushkin statue, and here is just in the summertime this is a fountain actually, and my God, just look at this, look at this. This is beautiful. We're gonna go past the gates over here into this here, and this is used to be, there's a sign that there used to be a beautiful, this is commemorative rock stone commemorating this beautiful Strasny Devichi Monastery. This was an area of a monastery. Soviets destroyed it. Pays tribute. I gotta tell you, so far, so good. Look at this, guys. No snow right now, but despite that, we got a lots of lights already in place. Moscow is ready for winter. A little detail, here's a necropole, which means I think it means like a cemetery kind of a place of this monastery, necropole of the monastery. Before we go, let's check it out. This crown looking decoration right across the street from this one here. It looks like a princess, a crown. Absolutely gorgeous. Remember guys to push like, subscribe. We're gonna check out the Christmas in Moscow. I always want to say St. Petersburg. And of course guys, Tverskaya Street itself is decorated already. And this is a long street, guys. It continues all the way. Well, you don't see it, how far does it go, but it's decorated, guys. City is in sparkles. Guys, and we have crossed the street to see his beauty over here. People are filming as well. Got some tourists here. It is gorgeous. What you guys think? Is this celebratory? How does it make you feel? Does it make you feel like Christmas is approaching? It just was a little while ago that it was summer, guys. What happened? What on earth happened? It seems that this is 2025 is not lit yet. This is gonna be shown 2025, and I think we gotta go check out this amazing, cool looking tunnel. I really like this one on the left. It's like a magic castle, or palace in this case. And right here, this is gotta be looking so nice at nighttime. But check it out. Oh my God. And it's definitely cold, guys, I'm telling you. It's like, well, it's few degrees Celsius minus for sure. Arbat is over that way, few kilometers. And this here is central, well, quite central. This is right next to Tverskaya street, and we have Triumphальная площадь, Triumph Square. There's a lot of different Christmas trees all around. Beautiful Christmas trees, classic. With the beautiful police sirens in the back. But wait, there's more. There's one, and there's a couple of more. And this here is of course, not of course, for me, I know the name. This is Mayakovsky. All right, continuing on from Tverskaya street, the main street of Moscow, and we have a proper Christmas lights right here, right by the founder, the statue of the founder of Moscow. Check it out. Absolutely beautiful. And this is the first time I actually step away from the streets from this direction and actually gonna go in and celebrate. Well, celebrate, enjoy, maybe celebrate as well. Let's go check it out. What is this? This is like a proper, wow, and here it is, Dolgoruki. Yuri Dolgorukoi. I think Rukoi. Is there a Santa Claus inside? No elves and no Santa Claus. Especially, well, Santa Claus wouldn't be here either. In either way, this would be Father Frost. Absolutely gorgeous. And you have little shops here on the sides, selling all sorts of Christmassy stuff. Well, very little clients right now, but this is like even though it's dark, this is 5 o'clock, guys. 5 o'clock. Really nice little Christmas park created here. And there's people more inside actually. That's a little cafe in the Christmas spirits, winter spirits. And here's a huge Russian samovar. This is like over a meter high. Well, it's on a platform, but still it's really big one, guys. This continues, guys. Wow, nice little place you got here, Moscow. You're always amazed with little things or bigger things. Some copyrighted music. So we got performances here and such later on probably. And swings is a hot thing here in the city, because you got swings over here. Guys, enjoying the pre-Christmas atmosphere in Moscow. We're just walking around and the city is already in its glorious Christmas lights. Oh, you get a carousel here. Check this out, guys. There's kids upstairs, but it's quiet, guys, right now. And notice, whoa, here it comes. Actually, in Moscow, there's so many things going on, so no wonder that some places just fail. Not that this failed or anything, but if it would fail in case, that would only mean that, you know, there's so many things to do. Guys, we got some really nice Christmas stuff, overpriced little souvenirs. People are doing videos, holiday greetings, even though holidays is pretty far away at the moment of this recording. Okay, we're gonna continue towards Red Square. Let's see what we see. I know there's a lot Christmas stuff to be absorbed. Check it out, this one across the street. It's beautiful as well. And right there we can see the Kremlin and the Red Square. Those are actually putting some Christmas decorations on. These are kids. Are they like volunteers or something? Good job, guys. OMG, that's incredible. That's just incredible view. So we are now on the corner of Kremlin, and here's a Hotny Ryad shopping mall. All right, so there's a huge, well, quite big Christmas tree prepared. So this area is going to be a Christmas market, but the question is there a Christmas market already on the Red Square like last year? Which was pretty epic, I gotta tell you. That was epic back then. I think it's every year, but is it already up? These are half closed, prepared but closed, gated. All right, moving on, guys, into the Red Square. So this is Nikolskaya Street, which is always like this throughout the year. So it is Christmassy throughout the year. A lot of people filming nice poses. And here's on the right side, Gum Katok. There's prepared. It's a ice hockey ice rink is being prepared for Christmas season. And also this used to be partially like ice rink and partially Christmas market. I was somebody poured me some vodka last year out of nothing. Russian kindness. All right, here's the little kiosk prepared just like last year. So it's definitely coming up, and I will film you later on when I get back to Moscow. Christmas tree. The side of our Goom shopping mall is, of course, purely breathtaking. Just check it out. It's gonna be a huge area, Christmas market area. But not yet. Darn. Ah, yeah, of course. Check it out. That's Kremlin. And that's St. Basil Cathedral. Thanks for watching another of my videos. Make sure to check out the places that you're interested in with the link in the description. There's an interactive Google Maps that you can use to find another places all around the world. Go check it out on a browser. Also, if you want to support, there's a link in the description to my store, distribution all across the world. Thanks for watching, and leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.